Hello everybody, welcome to this video. In this video lecture, as I promised on my first video in the introduction, that we will learn about some programming concept that we can learn Flutter faster and solve the basic problem when we are developing apps on Flutter. In this series of programming concept, what we will learn at the end of this series, we will have an introduction to the Dart language, and we will have some basic concepts of programming like variables and the types of variables, control flows like loops, and statements like if, switch, and at the end we will go through the object-oriented programming, and we will know more about object-oriented programming. I hope you follow this Dart series for a basic concept of programming. And if you are familiar with those basic concepts, then you can skip this series and continue with our Flutter series. So the language that we will learn, the basic concept of programming here is Dart, because we are working on Flutter, so we are working on Dart, and we will know more about Dart programming language. So I came to the website dart.dev. Here is the first page, and we will go through the menus. What we have here is the overview, the documentation, and community, try Dart, and get started. What is in overview? They say about the Dart overview. Dart is a client-optimized language for developing a fast app on any platform. Its goal is to offer the most productive programming language for multi-platform development, create with a flexible execution runtime platform for app framework. For more information about the Dart, we can go to the documentation, and we can have a language tour here and to know more about the Dart. So let's go to the try Dart. What is try Dart? When we are going here, there is an IDE, or we can say an editor, that we type our code here and we can run it and see the result in this portion. So if you want to try and continue with this, you can come here in this website and click on try Dart and use this platform to run your application or your code. And also you can go to VS Code or any other editor that you are using or you are familiar with. You can continue with that, your favorite platform or IDE. And also I can add the Dart programming language, actually developed by Google, and when we are developing a mobile application, we use Dart, and we use Flutter and Dart to develop application. So it is good to learn more about this programming language and how to work with some basic concept. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video.